all, welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today is X-Wing Wednesdays, guys. So we have issue 79 of Build the X-Wing, and we're basically going to be working more on the hyperdrive cooling system in today's video. So I really want to get started on this, so with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay, so we're going to be continuing working on this section here of the cooling system for the hyperdrive. And the first thing we need here is a cooling system plate. Now this is just going to simply slot over this part here and sort of goes into place. Actually, I got it the wrong way around because there's two tabs on each side to do that. Okay, so we've done that. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is we need to get these two pieces here. These are the transfer chambers, and we've got two halves of them. Now I'm just checking to make sure this goes on the right way around, which is that way, I think. Do I think or do I know? Let's have a look what it's saying in the magazine. Right, so it goes on like so, and we just push that together just like that. Okay, next we need to put this onto the X-Wing, and this is just going to go down in this hole just down here. Now it's got like a half moon shape, so it can only go in one way, and that's just slotted into place just like that. The next thing we need to do is we've got these two pipes either side here. Now we're going to be putting them in, but I am going to glue these in because when I did the other pipes, they need to be glued in. Bit of a disaster with my glue the other day, the nozzles come off, but it's actually sealed so I can still use it, and I am a Yorkshireman and I like to save money. I don't like waste. If it can be used or reused, repurposed, then I'm all for that. Right, we might need to get tweezers. No, it's gone in. So that's the first side in, as you can see. Glue's not gripped yet. Might have to get some tweezers on this. Right, it's gone in again. So I'm just going to hold it with my fingers there, and hopefully the heat of my fingers will cure the glue, which it has done. And then we're just going to do the same on the other side. A bit of glue in. Yeah. Thought that other side had popped out then, but it hasn't. Bit fiddly. Tell you what, let's get some tweezers. Oh, it'll make life a little bit easier, I think. Right, that's now in place. Should have used tweezers in the first place, but never mind. Okay, and that's now in place just like that. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is we've got these two halves here, and what we need to do is we need to put this bit here. Sorry, this is the right, I need to make sure this is correct. Let's have a look. Right, so it goes in like so. There's a tab that fits into it. And then what we need to do is, got this other bit here, and we're just going to put that on top, just like so. Now there is a difference between these, and I will show you what the difference is, but that's nicely clicked into place. That satisfying click. And then it wants us to put this on the X-Wing. Now I'm a bit cautious about the hole there, because there is two parts to this. I'm just wondering whether I've got this the right way. I don't think I have actually. So let's just undo what we've just done. It was a little bit confusing, but the instructions didn't say if there was a difference. You know what? I can't get these two parts apart. Try and get in down here. Nope, need something bigger so I can open it out. Let's try these. You see I heard it crack open there. That's now going to come apart quite easily. Well, he says. Get me. Yeah, there we go. I thought I might have to stop recording then. Okay, so we've got that bit in. Just going to try this one and see if this is the one. Just it's very strangely done. I think it is that one. Right, here we go. I made mistakes, so you guys don't have to. No, because that's definitely smaller on that side. Right, this is definitely the one. I do apologise for my... Right, so that's then into place just like that. Gosh, that took some figuring out, did that one. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to skip ahead a little bit. And I'm going to do the other one. So again, we get this part here. Slot this into place. Bring this bit over. And push down. There we go. Just like so. Right, so the next thing we need to do is we need to install these onto the hyperdrive. So what we're going to do is, I think they're going on with the bigger hole. Let's have a look. Yeah, I do believe they're going on with the bigger hole. They just don't seem to be lining up for some reason. Right, I'm just going to cut here, guys, and I'll be back in a tick. Okay guys, I'm back. These top pipes were really hard to sort of figure out where they went, but I figured it out now, and yeah, so they need to be coming out and then basically going down, because once we've put them into there, we then have this tab on this end to put into there like that. Make sure they're properly all the way down. What I'm doing is I'm not pushing them all the way down until I get them into that pipe there, so I've got some movement. Okay, that was incredibly confusing, I have to admit, but yeah, it is what it is. Okay, I seem to say that a lot lately. It is what it is. Okay, so we've now got them two in place. What we need to do next is, oh gosh, we've got some small little pipes here. Now, looking at this, these little pipes go from, there's like a notch there, hole there, and a hole there. And it looks like what they're doing is, hopefully get this right, is they're going to go on like so. Right, so let's just, right, so we need to just make sure you study the pictures on this one to make sure you have the curve right. Okay, so I'm going to put these in, but I am going to use glue. so many things on this model I've learnt along the way where they say it is a push fit connection. It actually has come off, and I really should have used my better knowledge and used glue. But right, I'm going to use tweezers for this. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to pop the bit in the end first. So that's if my tweezers will hold it. So I'm going to pop the top bit in and then position it and get it in the other side. That's my plan. Bit fiddly, I can tell you that now. But when have pipes ever been easy on this X-Wing build? Okay guys, I'm back. That was quite a long break. Basically what it was the holes for these end bits to go in here were not properly drilled through. Really terrible. I've had to re-drill through these bits here because they just weren't properly done at all. So I'm not very happy at all with this matter. And then yeah, so we'll carry on. So the next piece we've got is here. This is the top vent, and we're just going to be putting it in just down there like so, and then happily this piece is over and done with. What we need to do next is we need to do the Hyperdrive Jet Mounts. So we've got these bits here and here, and we've got like a half moon shape, and what we're going to be doing, we're just going to be pushing them together. And we've got 2 of these to do. So let's do both of them. And then we're actually to do nothing now with these. These are just going to be on there like so. And then that's it for this issue of Build the X-Wing. And to tell you the truth, I am glad it's over. This model is really testing my modelling skills. What can I say? The quality of the parts are just not great. The manufacturing process of not drilling through the holes properly. You shouldn't be getting this in a model like this at all. And to tell you the truth, I've never come across such a poorly designed and poorly made model that ever really. But I'm so far into this, I want to see it finish, so bit of a sucker for punishment, but there we go. But that is issue 79 complete. Well, that's it for the X-Wing for this week, guys. I'm actually glad that issue is over. It is absolute and pain to do on this model. It really is. With the wings, the piping, it is just absolutely, utterly crazy. I don't know what to say. I really don't. Every week I seem to be having problem after problem with the parts for this X-Wing. So anyway, if you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell and be notified of any future videos. But as for always, guys, stay safe and bye for now.